Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with another video for you. I just wanted to jump on here and give you guys a quick hair update because I know it's been quite a while since I've posted a hair video, like a wash and go or product review, or at least it feels like it's been a long time, and I just wanted to kind of give you guys an explanation. No one's asked me for any explanation, but I feel like they were going to come soon, and plus I just want to tell you guys what's going on anyway. I just feel like at this point my hair is just way too long, and I know that probably sounds crazy to a lot of people, like, girl, shut up, I would love to have your hair, and I definitely get that, but my hair is past my butt right now and it's just so much work, y'all. Like, so much work, and it's to the point now even where I can use products that I know should work for my hair and they aren't really working anymore. And I think it's just because the weight of my hair, because of all the length, it's really elongating my curl to the point of where it's just kind of frizz, and I might even have some heat damage mixed up in there too. So I just need to take a step back, evaluate what's going on, and figure out how I'm going to move forward. So one thing I know for certain I'm going to do is cut my hair. I don't plan to cut it like super short, some massive drastic change or anything like that, but I definitely want to cut off some significant inches so that I can enjoy doing my hair again, enjoy wearing my hair down again, get rid of any damage that's adding to the stress of doing my hair. I just want to feel light and airy about it, because right now whenever I think about doing my hair, it's dread, like constant, just like, how much longer can I put this off? Do I really have to do my hair today? And I'm not the type of person who just, you know, will walk around however with my hair. I've never been that person. Before going natural, I've just always been very particular about my hair. So to kind of feel like that now, as far as like, well, it's put away or it's pulled back, I'm straight, like, no. I want to be able to feel like, oh, this is fun, this is interesting, this is exciting, new products, new styles, you know. Like, I just don't have that right now because of all the work that goes into styling my hair. Like, for example, detangling. Detangling is the quickest part of the process of me doing my hair, and that still takes a half hour to 40 minutes. And applying product to my hair takes well over an hour. I'm not even including washing, deep conditioning, diffusing. Diffusing takes at least another 40, like, it's just too much. It's too much, it's too long, and no one's forcing me to have this length of hair. Like, once I kind of realized that, I think I kind of got wrapped up in, like, I have this channel and I need to have long hair because that's what I've had for such a long time. I feel like I had to remind myself, like, no, this is your hair. You can do whatever you want with your hair. I say all that to say I will be cutting it probably in August or September. Next week I get my hair professionally braided, so you guys probably won't see a hair video from me, or a hair product or styling video from me, probably until September. Depending on when I can get in with the stylist. I think I found a stylist that I want to go see, so whenever I can get that scheduled, I will hopefully be able to vlog that and post that so you guys can see see that whole process. But yeah, it's just to the point now where it's just too much, and I don't want to feel like, I hate doing my hair, but I gotta do these videos only to style my hair and it not come out right, and I have to either dispose of the video or figure out something else altogether, which means doing my hair again, and that's just not gonna work. Like, last week I recorded a hair video, but my hair just didn't come out the way I know it should have, so I didn't post it. That was a lot of time. I just don't want to waste my time like that anymore. Not to make this video too long, because I said it would be quick. I just wanted to, you know, give you guys that update, and hopefully you guys can get excited about this, because I'm excited. Again, I don't know how many inches I'm going to take off, but it's definitely going to be a difference. So yeah, don't kill me. But I'm sure a lot of you all will understand, because a lot of you are understanding already. I have some of the best subscribers out here. I must say, you guys always leave me such kind and sweet comments, and I'm appreciative of that always. I try to respond to and like a lot of the different comments that I see. So yes, thank you guys for your love and support. In the meantime though, I will continue to vlog and hopefully come up with some other creative things for you guys to watch. If you have any ideas, leave those in the comments below. I'm always open to ideas. So yeah, thank you guys for always supporting me. And yeah, I think that's it. Did I say everything? Too much time. Gonna get it braided, gonna cut it. So yep, I think I covered everything I wanted to cover. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Make sure you hit that bell to turn on those notifications so you know every time I post a video. And as always, thanks for watching.